you too, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
I am very nervous because of I am first time in conversation with you.
Okay, why you nervous, sir? Why you nervous? What happened?
Sir, because of I am watching many of lots of video.
Yeah.
Uh, your video and your video is very good, nice video.
Uh,
Actually, I am learning in English.
mm-hmm.
It's only for watching video, no tuition and no any kind of listening.
Yes, yes,
Only for watching.
yes.
And I am many time watching your video. My name is Ranjit Ghosh,
Yeah,
and I am from Tripura.
Tripura.
Sir, Tripura.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, I am Bengali.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What you do, sir? What you do, Mr. Ranjit Ghosh? What's your occupation?
Sir, I am recently I am a hotel manager. I am from Tripura, but I am living recently in Shillong.
Shillong.
Yes, sir.
Shillong. Where is Shillong, sir?
Shillong in nearby Guwahati.
Guwahati, Nepal.
No, Guwahati. Shillong in state name is Meghalaya.
Meghalaya, 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 Meghalaya. Yes, yes, yes. It's a fantastic, fantastic. So, are you manager in a hotel?
Sir, yes, sir.
So, might be the reason that you are learning English because of you are a manager in it.
Sir, because of there are people very educated
Mm.
in here,
Yeah.
and they are here people do not use Hindi.
Yeah.
Do not know Hindi. Only talking speaking for English. So uh, that's why, sir, I am learning English.
Yeah, that's good, sir. That's good. So, what's going on? Like, what kind of situation nowadays in hotels that it's open or it's what's going on?
And no, sir, this time not open in hotel, of hotel because of there are many people and affected coronavirus and sir, actually here people are very very rules follow the rules
Yeah.
of government.
Yes, yes.
Sir. Uh,
So, sir, tell me how you learning English, sir? How you learning English? Only watching you videos or any other stuff?
Sir, any other means I am sometime I am reading books
Mm-hmm.
such as story books
Yeah.
uh, and I'm all time watching in conversation video in English related,
Mm.
and then sometime when uh, I am doing any work.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, when this time I
Mm.
am mind thinking in small words and then in small conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's good, sir. That's good. That's really good. That well, I suggest you to read something, sir. Read something.
Yes, sir.
Reading, reading will help you a lot. By listening, listening lots of things, but you won't remember each and everything. By reading,
Yeah.
you can pause yourself, or you can underline the word which is you don't understand.
Yes, yes, sir.
By listening, there are lots of things they are talking, and you may know, you may don't know what's going on, what they are talking, what they are saying. But the time you read, there you have a lots of time. You have a
Yes,
lots
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a lots of time to think about it, and you can
Uh,
pause yourself, you can stop there yourself, or you can underline the stuff which you don't understand, or you can translate the word later on. at the same time or the later on some other time. So instead of, yeah, that's fine that you are listening or you're looking, you're watching videos, that's fine. But try to read something. Reading will
Yes, sir.
definitely
Yes,
will
sir.
help you. Reading
Absolutely
will
right, sir.
help you.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Sir, I am watching a video.
Yeah,
Then, apart from, I am practicing
yeah.
on my own,
Hmm.
as well as I am reading some books.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. But practice also is necessary. Practice also
Yes.
necessary.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
need
sir.
practice. You need practice. Apart from that,
Bilkul.
apart from these things, reading, watching, and listening, practice also are necessary.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Practice is very necessary. It's an
Yes.
important part of learning English.
Yes, sir. Absolutely right. Sir, thank you, sir. Give me opportunity because of I am wondering many time
Yeah,
who person I am speaking practice sometime.
yeah.
So I am not good well speaking, but but
Well, it's my pleasure, sir. I should say thanks to you that you call me. I should thanks to you that you give me an opportunity to talk to you.
yes,
It's a great opportunity for me to talk to you right now. I'm talking to you. It's not yours. It's my pleasure, sir.
yes, sir. You are a very good motivational speaker for me, sir. For me, because of sir, you can speaking fluently English, so I cannot fluency English. I will speak fluently.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely you will be. But you need to have a strong determination that I must
Yes,
learn.
sir.
I have to and I must. I really don't have the other alternative. You must. That's the only way to learn. I have to. With this stuff, you can learn English, brother. It's not a big deal. You can learn.
Thank you, sir. You are many advice for me. I am learning English since 6 months,
Yeah.
and I will have to fluently English speaking
Yes, yes,
this time.
yes. Well, this time, this is your initial stage right now. Think
Sir, sir.
as an initial stage. Practice. Do as much as you can practice, sir. Okay, reading,
Sir.
I understand. You're reading, listening, watching. Okay, I understand. But try to focus on practice with someone. Whether you are
Absolutely, sir.
whether you are talking right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Practice is a matter.
Yes,
So
sir. I don't
yeah,
know thinking, am I right? Yeah, uh, do not right. I am talking any moment, any words.
yeah.
I always, I am always time thinking how to improve my English and how to improve my fluency. So, so I am practicing some words. Sir. So I am thinking I am increase my English
Hmm.
uh, and for after some days.
Yeah, you will be. You will be, sir. You will be. You will be. You will definitely improve. You will improve, but it will take time. So don't
Yes,
be
sir.
in a
Yes, sir.
hurry. It will take time.
I know, sir. If I am take time in English, so one time I will very improve my English
Just
conversation.
see like that. Just see like that. That Arif can look. Arif can speak English. So why I'm not? You should think like
I,
that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A
You
auto
are.
driver. A auto driver can speak English. So why I'm not? You should. You
No,
should think
sir.
like.
You are. Sir, you are doing very good, sir. You are doing very good nowadays because of nowadays many people stay in home. That's why because of outside in affected in coronavirus and pandemic situation. So many people stay with home and watching your video.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much for you people. Thank you to you, sir. Thank you very much for calling me.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Mr. Ranjit Goat, it's time to move on. And in the future, if you will find any difficulty while learning English, you can message me or you can call me again, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Absolutely, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.